Where we are going today?
To the planetarium.
We are going to visit a planetarium at Wilson High School, Virginia. Wilson Planetarium has been open since March 1963. The circular bench seatings allows about 50 seats with a good view during a program. Today we learn about our solar system and the order of the 8 planets. We are seeing the colors and the sizes of the planets in our solar system. Kids, including Tilzy, were excited and had a lot of questions. And we have learned that our planet Earth is just a tiny part of the universe. There are only a few planets that are smaller than us. The bigger ones are much bigger than us. Now they were showing a realistic star map, just like what you can see from the sky with your naked eyes. Too bad my camera couldn't get anything. Well, it's time to say bye then.
Please subscribe so we could have fun together.